Now let's take a look at the second example. The second example, our A, like we know, is 2. Our B is a negative number, -8. That's why I always tell you that is the sign, is the number including the sign, and our C is 6. Then I said the step 1, you are going to identify CA, or you are going to find C, which is what? 6 times 2 is going to give us 12. Now, what are the multiples of 12? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. 1 times 12 again is going to give us 12. 2 times 6 is going to give us 12. 3 times 4 is also going to give us 12. Now, let's do addition. 1 plus 12 is 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. Mind you, this one now, 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is also 12. 3 times 4 is also 12. 1 plus 12 is 13. No. 2 plus 6 is 8. No. But this one is -8. 3 plus 4 is 7. No. So if you look at this one, it is only this one that look like what? We are getting to where we are moving. What we need. So let's assume we now change this one to -2 times -6. We are going to have +12. -2 plus -6, which is the same thing as -2 -6, is going to give us -8. You are owing me 2 naira, you are owing another 6 naira. If you add them together, you are going to have -8. Now you will now see that for this one now, it is -2 and -6 that is our factor. This now brings us to a rule. When your CA is a positive number, is a positive value, and your B is a what? Negative value, then it means that the two factors you are going to use will be two negative values. Your CA is positive, your B is negative. When we multiply the CA together, you are having positive values, and your B is a negative value, this place here. The law says that it shows that the two values we are going to have there will be what? Negative. Mind you, we're not going to insert it here. So we record that we have 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals to 0. Now we have chosen -2 and -6 as our factor, so we are going to have 2x squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 6 equals to 0. -2 minus 6 minus 8 minus 2 times -6 plus 12. Now, like we know, we are going to pick this first two, we are going to pick this first two. Look at these two first numbers now. What do they have in common? Take number first, they have 2 in common. There is 2 here, there is 2 here. Go to the alphabet again. There is x here, there is x here. Bring out the x. Now, open the bracket, nothing in common now. If I divide 2x squared, 2x from 2x squared, the remainder will be what? X. This is the 2. This one is x, this one is x squared, so remain only one x here. Then the sign minus. This is 2x, this is 2x, almost the same thing. What is common is now what? 1. You close the bracket. Like I explained earlier on, anytime you are solving factorization method, whatever is inside this bracket is also going to be inside the other bracket. So it means that this place 2 will also be what? X minus 1. Now let me try 6. If I put 6 here, 6 times x, 6x, no. If I put 6 times -1, -6, no. So it means that if I put minus here, -6 times x minus 6x, -6 times -1 plus 6, meaning that is now correct, equals to 0. In our first example, I said anytime you have something like this, then you are going to pick this first two. 2x minus 6 equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. Then from this place, you are going to have 2x equals to 6. Just take this one to the other side. You now have what? S equals to 6 over 2. X equals to 3. Or x minus 1 equals to 0. S equals to 1. Under this one now, you are going to see that what? You are having what? Two positive values there as our final answer. And if you want to check, if you put 3 squared, 3 here, 3 squared is what? 9. 9 times 2, 18. If you put 3 here, 8 times 3 minus 24 and plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 minus 24, you are having what? 0. Also, if you put 1 here to check if our quadratic answer is 1, if you put 1 here, 1 square is what? 1. 2 times 1, 2. If you put minus 8, 1 here, 8 times 1 is what? 8. This one is minus 8, and this one is what? Plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0, meaning that our two answers are valid. And we have solved factorization method again.